Are you curious why your knuckles crack? Let's uncover the mystery behind those pops. When you pull or bend your fingers, the space between your joints increases. This causes the pressure in the joint to drop, creating a vacuum. Tiny bubbles in the joint fluid burst and voila, crack. But don't worry, it's not harmful. Studies show it doesn't cause arthritis. Just don't overdo it, okay? Your joints need a break too. Speaking of breaks, did you know some people can't crack their knuckles at all? It's all about the joint structure and fluid. So next time someone gives you the stink eye for cracking your knuckles, you can drop some science on them. Keep those hands happy and crack on. Don't forget to smash that like button for more fun facts. This is your daily trivia dose.